Greetings, tourists! Today, we'll introduce another destination known for its historical landmarks, luxury resorts, active nightlife, and eco adventures. So, buckle up because I'm about to take you on a virtual adventure full of excitement, laughter, and a spice of wanderlust. Mabuhay, Cebu! Did you know Cebu is referred to be the Queen City of the South due to its strategic and economic importance to the country? It is one of the country's most prosperous cities, attracting over 2 million foreign visitors each year. Today, we'll be talking about Cebu's top tourist spots, delicacies, culture, tour package and sample itinerary, room prices at South Pole Central Hotel, important notes, and travel hacks. Our itinerary includes stops in Fort San Pedro, Kawasan Falls, and Taoist Temple, exploring their historical sites, canyoneering in Kawasan, and visiting non-Catholic shrines in Cebu. Let's savor some of Cebu's delicacies. Cebu is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the Philippines because of its beautiful beaches, exciting nature activities, and friendly people. Not only that, but one of the other factors that draw people to the province is its tasty dishes. Today, we will go through the top Cebu delicacies you need to try on your next trip. Initially, lechon de Cebu. When you say Cebu, Filipinos will automatically think of lechon. It is a whole pig roasted above an open fire, which results in crispy skin and tender meat. Lechon de Cebu differs significantly from Manila's version. The Cebu-style roasted whole pig has a saltier taste, so it's best to skip the sarsa and opt for vinegar instead. Secondly, chicharon sa karkar. Karkar is famous for its freshly cooked and affordable chicharon, known as the Chicharon Center of Cebu, which comes in two types, pure pork skin or mixed with meat. Both are crispy and can be dipped in vinegar. Eat it as a snack or a hearty meal with rice. And subsequently, puso rice. Lechon, chicharon, and chorizo are best paired with rice. In Cebuano restaurants and eateries, you will typically see it wrapped in woven banana leaves and shaped similarly to a heart or puso. This gives the rice extra flavor and makes it easy to eat without a spoon or fork. The Sinulog Festival is an annual religious and cultural celebration in Cebu, attracting millions of visitors from all over the country every year. It offers an opportunity for travelers to explore the many attractions of the province and serves as a gateway to the Philippines for visitors from around the world. Here's a tour package and sample itinerary for your 3-day, 2-night visit in Cebu. For only 10,100 pesos, you can now experience numerous tourist attractions in Cebu. Experience the pinnacle of luxury at South Pole Central Hotel in Cebu City. The South Pole Central Hotel is an ideal headquarters for any traveler visiting the Philippines' Queen City of the South. Here are some different room types with room prices that you might be interested in. Single room includes one single bed, free Wi-Fi, and telephone for 2,283 pesos for 2 nights. For 4,250 pesos, you can now enjoy deluxe double room for 2 nights with a size of 17 meters squared with landmark view, city view, which also includes air conditioning, private bathroom, flat screen TV, free Wi-Fi, and breakfast is also included in the price. Family room is recommended for 5 persons or group travels. This also includes one single bed and 2 double beds with free Wi-Fi for only 8,951 pesos for 2 nights. Let's now move on with the important notes that you must know. Check-in time is at 2 p.m. and check-out is between 12 a.m. to 12:30 a.m. depending on the hotel. Bookings require a 50% advance payment for confirmation. Room availability is not guaranteed until payment is received. If your preferred room or hotel is unavailable, we will suggest alternatives with a corresponding increase or decrease in package price. Stay connected with a local SIM card or portable Wi Fi device. We recommend checking hotel reviews and locations before accepting the package. A change of hotel upon arrival will result in a retention charge. Please be noted, time may vary depending on the circumstance, traffic, and flight time or date. Travel hacks! The best time to visit Cebu is during the dry season, which runs roughly from December to May. Get around using tricycles, jeepneys, and ferries, which are common and affordable modes of transport. Don't miss out on exploring Cebu's world-renowned waterfalls, paradise cycle white sand beaches, and crystal clear turquoise sea. It's advisable to carry some cash for smaller towns and markets. Stay connected with a local SIM card or portable Wi Fi device. English and Filipino are widely spoken, so communication is relatively easy for English speakers. That is all, and paalam! Thank you for joining me on this unforgettable adventure. I'll see you in Cebu.